Fidelity wins Bitcoin trading and custody license in New York. I guarantee you, if this news broke in 2017, we'd see a 15% pump for Bitcoin on the day and a 30% pump for Ripple, because it was 2017. But why exactly? The move allows Fidelity's new digital asset subsidiary to launch a digital currency custody and execution platform on which institutional investors and individuals can securely store, purchase, sell, and transfer Bitcoin. Okay, so what? What makes Fidelity any different from the other institutions we've heard of before that totally flopped?
They can't touch.
Not that type of flop. Well, the difference here is how big they already are. Boston-based Fidelity, which has about 2.8 trillion of assets under management, made clear last year it intended to take the plunge to offer digital asset services to Wall Street, where other regulated groups have held back from the nascent marketplace. Nascent? Just coming into existence. Okay. Yeah, but not all of that is going into Bitcoin, come on. Let's say, as a crazy example, every institutional investor at Fidelity is interested. They've heard of Libra. They think it might bring legitimacy to the space. They've heard of Bitcoin's crazy volatility both down and up, and they want a piece of that action. But they were never gonna buy it on dodgy exchanges that are plagued by outages and hacks, and that have no insurance. So they all decide they want 1% of their portfolio in cryptocurrency. Pfft, yeah, more like interest levels will be 0%. Yeah, it could be to start off with, but 1% of 2.8 trillion is 2.8 billion by my quick maths. I believe you could move the price of Bitcoin around 10% with as little as $40 million on many exchanges currently. 40 million goes into 2.8 billion around 70 times. The point is, that's a lot of money. Even a fraction of a percent interest from somewhere like Fidelity is going to have a huge impact. And they've got the license now. Yeah, but mate, does anyone care? No! Apparently not. But this is 2019. We are more mature now. We demand results first, and then we'll pump. So this may be a slow burner, but it's one more institutional on-ramp to add to the growing pile of them, possibly the most significant yet. Now, I want to talk about trading for a second. I asked you all on the last video what type of trader you are, how you're dealing with the current setup on Bitcoin. 770 votes, thank you all. As I expected, the vast majority of you are accumulate and hold types. Historically speaking, a very successful strategy. 23% of you are big swing traders, with only 10% being margin traders. Sadly, I can't gauge success or people's happiness levels with a simple poll like this. That would be interesting. A lot of public profile traders, no doubt, put on a happy face when they need to.
Yes? No.
How many of you, for example, have margin traded and wish you never started, or have been accumulating holding and wish you could have done things differently? But I'm not gonna lie, for the majority of people, buying and holding is going to be a better strategy. Now, for me personally, I've done okay swing trading. I made a couple of videos showing where I was buying during the bear market. Happened to be near enough the absolute bottom. Very happy with that. I didn't make a dedicated video of where I sold, but I let you guys know where I sold Bitcoin. It was around 11 or 12K, for example. Don't worry, I've still got a lot of skin in the game. I think I always will. But I am no trading expert. So time to fix that. I've had a bunch of books recommended to me. I'm going to share a few that I thought were the most relevant. Maybe you'll find this interesting. Insider Buy Super Stocks. The Super Laws of How I Turned $46,000 into $6.8 million in 28 months. Yes, please. Trend Following: How to Make a Fortune in Bull, Bear, and Black Swan Markets. Sure. How to Take Profits, Cut Losses, something just dropped, and Benefit from Price Declines. Yes, please. So, am I just going to read a few books, have a few years of practice, and suddenly become a pro trader? Yes, That is precisely the plan. I've heard it takes 5 to 7 years of study and practice to become at least a competent trader, but I'll let you know how it goes. Not rushing anything. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you to everyone leaving likes on my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Assuming you just aren't too interested in all of this. You hold Bitcoin, you hold Cardano, you hold a banana. Whatever. And that's enough for you.